Okay, if you are having a hard time figuring out which printer to use because you have a collection of like 20 to 30 printers, here is an easy way to clean up your printer choosing thing. Go up to the Apple System Preferences and click on Printers and Scanners. And right here shows you all of your options, and mine had about 15 of them. So I just selected all of them by holding the Shift key down, and I hit the minus button. I deleted them all. Here's some more. I hit the minus and deleted them all. And now my whole printers and scanners will be empty except my home scanner. So now you go to self-service. Scroll down for Somerset printers. And now you can reinstall just the printers you want, so it makes it easier to choose a printer when you are printing your things.